Okay, we are home and I actually received two different packages. This one is coming from Mrs. Emily. Yeah, the one who gave this, my housemate. Oh, this thing. Yeah, also with the letter. Hi Robbie, I was practicing a new craft and decided to make you a present. It is a wristband, but if you don't like wearing them, you can probably use as a bookmark. Hope all is well. We are excited to move to Newcastle next year. Yeah, thank you, Mrs. Emily. Yeah, this is just a DIY. Oh, it's like a crochet. It's like this. And then I have another package here. This is actually an LCD. Yeah, the LCD of Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And they also give this. Okay. And yeah, I'm actually going now to the technician. I hope they are still open and yeah, they can fix this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, so yeah, the repair shop is still open, so yeah, I leave my phone. Let's buy something to eat here in Base Patisserie. Sometimes they have fried rice.
Oh, hello.
Good afternoon.
Hi.
They are going to fix it, and I paid just $90. And you know that screen, that LCD, is just $40 something. Yeah, I hope that is going to work well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I hope it's going to be fixed. And this is what I bought from the Bay Patisserie. Yeah, meat pie. Two meat pie. Yeah, it feels heavy. Yeah, I can't finish it. Nakakaumay. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I just got home. No, actually, I already took a shower. Yeah, and yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finished at 2 o'clock. I get home and I took a shower. Yeah, feeling fresh. Yeah, it's already 2:40. I'm going to prepare my meal. And I actually have a lot of food that needs to go to the bin. Like this one, pasta. I don't trust this anymore. This maybe 1 week. And then this one, I defrosted it like yeah, maybe 1 week also. Yeah, around that period. Oops, oh no. Oh no. So it's not good to eat. Actually, there is more. This wasting of money. I don't like it, but yeah, it happens sometimes. There is one more noodles. This very long time. And this, yeah, that I am supposed to eat last time, if you remember, but yeah, Stanley and Mary Jane, they give me food, so I eat the food they gave me. This stir fry mix. This one is still good. This meat pie. This thing happened because yeah, sometimes I eat outside, or sometimes some of the friends give me food, so yeah, I didn't able to eat this. And sometimes we don't feel like eating the same food in consecutive meal, you know. When I'm cooking egg, I put just enough oil. But I remember that in the Philippines when I was young, yeah, I saw the people, they are cooking, they are frying an egg with a lot of oil, so it's become fluffy. That's it. And you know, sometimes I remember when I was a kid, yeah, my parents, they are asking me to borrow egg from the sari-sari store. Yeah, from the mini grocery. Like 2 or 3 pieces egg, and then my mother, she fry it like a big, and then we portion it to make it enough for 5 people. Okay, this is my meal, my lunch. You know, when I was in the Philippines, I was living with my the house of my cousin. Yeah, this is the water that comes out from the faucet. Yeah, only this much of water, maybe less. Oh, I just received a message coming from the technician who is installing the LCD, the screen of my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Yeah, and he said it's ready to pick up and it's working, yeah, normally. Yeah, and I would like to say thank you to Casey Lloyd Andres, yeah, for giving me a suggestion to buy, yeah, to buy a LCD screen. Because if you remember, I mentioned to you that the technician, they will fix it for $400 because they will need to order the LCD from Samsung, the original one. Yeah, but I don't want to spend the $400. And so Casey Lloyd Andres, yeah, sent me a message because he saw the video that my phone is broken. And it is now, yeah, 4 o'clock. Yeah, I'm going to collect the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, so yeah, we are now here in the town center. Oh, look at this. There is a vacant space here for lease. Yeah. And it's good inside. Good for restaurant, I think. Before it was a jewelry shop. Yeah, that's the name, Jewel of the Bay. Yeah, if you want to have a business here in yeah, Nelson Bay Town Center, yeah, it's a good space.
How's it going?
Good. I'm going to collect this. Okay, so yeah, I got it. Nice. And we are now here at the Homemaker Center. Yeah, and I'm actually going to Harvey Norman to check the iPhone 15. Even though my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is working now, I still feel the need to buy a new iPhone. Yeah, because like what I've said, with Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, I cannot really transfer the files like the videos, anything coming from my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's difficult. That is because I am using a MacBook. Yeah, and I have been using MacBook since yeah, 2012. It's getting cold outside. Yeah, I went there and basically what they have is just the iPhone 15, color pink and color black. And the guy said in Australia the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max is not available in any store. The last iPhone that I have is the iPhone 6s. I actually bought 3 times of iPhone 6s. Yeah, this one I bought 3 of these. The other one was broken, the second one was broken, and then this is the third. But I was able to fix all those 2 broken and gave it to the Philippines. Yeah, to the family in the Philippines. I did not buy iPhone 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Just now I am going to buy the 15. But look at this, it's actually working okay. Yeah, the only problem is the transfer of data. And we are now here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square. And yeah, we are here in Kmart and I'm going to buy this $7. You know, this laptop bag, and it's $19. Yeah, I feel like I need this because yeah, after my duty, my backpack is full of my dirty clothes, uniform, and my laptop, and you know, the cables, charger, and I feel like I need to separate the laptop to place in here and separate to my uniform. But now I think about it, yeah, and then I decided that I'm just going to get you know, grocery bag, and after work I will put there my dirty clothes. Yeah, so that my laptop will keep in the backpack. Oh, there is new platypus that is going to open here. It's a shoe shop. It is now 6:24, and yeah, it is cold, very cold. Yeah, good thing I have I have sweater in the car, and we are going to buy something, I don't know, from Aldi. I'm going to get one of these fresh noodles. This is just $1.99. Yeah, nice. It's already 7:25, and I'm actually cravings for noodles. That's why I'm going to cook it now. Sinong bayani, sino ang kaawa-awa, kami halos ang buhay ay inialay sa bansa. Bagong bayani ng sandata ay luha, bigyan naman ninyo kami kahit ng konting awa. But this morning for the breakfast, the special that I cook is chickpea bacon. Yeah, chickpea bacon. So basically just onion, bacon, chickpea. Yeah, the thin one, the in can. And then I just added some spinach and soy sauce. That's it. And actually not a lot of people, not a lot of guests eat that. But after the buffet, the other chef prepare one big bowl for the general manager. Yeah, and I saw that he likes it. He was eating it. I didn't taste it yet, but I think it's tasty enough because of the soy sauce that I put. And this is my dinner.